So you're thinking about selling your house and you're worried about construction costs and expenses. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, it's John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty. And people ask us all the time, do I have to do repairs on my house in order to sell it? The answer is no. You never have to do repairs in order to sell your home or sell your property. However, it can be very important to do repairs depending on what price you want to sell your house for, right? So what you need to do is sit down with us and have us come out to the property and talk about what you need to do and what you don't need to do. Every situation is different, and it will really depend on how much those costs are going to be as to whether or not it's worth it for you to go ahead and incur the cost and make more money or sell the property as is. So every situation is different. Every location of the house is different. Are you in an area that's more of a rental property area? Are you in an area where the values are higher? So every situation is going to be a little bit different. Another thing that we hear a lot is, who do I hire to do all this work? And we can help you with that. We can make some recommendations on good contractors that we've used through the years that are reputable, and they're also going to help you not break the bank, so to speak. And so make sure that you give us a call. We know it can be very overwhelming, but the very first thing that you should do is call us or call your realtor and talk with them about your situation, how much work is needed, what things need to happen in order for your house to be in a finance-ready condition. So we hope to hear from you soon. The number to get in touch with me is 318-794-6769, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.